Right, hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we've got an Anchor travel hair dryer that I got from Kmart, and it was $10, so it seemed like a good deal. We also got a round brush, so for those of you that travel and need to go to work, and you have to work and travel, you need something that you can travel with that's light and that can get the job done. So if you don't have wax with you, or if you don't have gel with you, then you can always have a hair dryer and then use the brush. So let's get opening. Can't find any scissors in this room. That's what I just have to do, and it works perfect. So this one was $6, but I think you could buy it from the dollar shop for $2.50. So yeah, it just really depends on personal preference if you like Kmart or if you just don't really mind. Let's get this opened. So all the features: 2-speed and also cool shot. Okay. Maybe it just has a cool mode, and it's also got different watt modes as well, which is also good to know. And foldable handle, that's really good for travel. Dual voltage selector, yeah, that's cool as well if you're in different regions, I think maybe. Okay, that's the box. Get a nice instruction manual. That's pretty cool. And considering that this is only $10, so competitors will be maybe $20 or $30, so it is pretty good to have an instruction manual, especially from Kmart. Alright, so we've got some different parts there: concentrator, front housing, rear housing, cool shot switch, power speed switch, foldable handle, cord brushing, voltage selector. So we're going to give this one a test run. So yeah, let's get this out. Pretty simple packaging. I am not sure what this is exactly. Maybe it's a replacement part. So it does seem to be... oh wow. So there's a folding bit. How do you disengage it? Okay, I'm not sure how to fold it. No, you don't press that. But anyway, this is a really nice, yeah, black sort of finish. And it's sort of got rubber around here, I think, because that's to insulate it so it's not like hot when you touch it. So if it's metal, you probably burn yourself if you touch it. But it's nice, sleek finish. It looks really high quality. It doesn't look like something you would buy for $10. And for size comparison, this is my hand. It's about the size of that. But it's, let's just get the rule as well. So for travel considerations, it's about 20 centimeters from here to here, about 20 for lengthwise here as well. Yeah, whoops. But how do I fold it? So I've got a cool shot button. There must be a lever or something that you can... doesn't seem to... okay. Well, I'll just get this undone. And then I'll give it a test run, but I want to see if I can actually get the thing folded back again. So, oopsies. Okay, how do I... different modes, cool. I'm just trying to find out. How do I fold it? Oh, okay. So you just push it forward, okay. Because I didn't want to break it, but it just seemed a bit stiff, but there you go. It folds, and let's see how wide it is here. About 12 centimeters. Lengthwise is about, well, to the tip would probably be about 20, yeah, about 20, 22 if you include the stem here. So that does seem to be pretty pretty portable, although this one does seem quite big for its size, especially the travel one. But then again, I haven't seen the full-on big ones, but I reckon the big ones are about probably around 30 centimeters with the length of the stem. So yeah, but otherwise let's go test it out, and I want to see what it's like. Alright, so we're in the bathroom and we are with this, and I've also removed the isolation part of the cord. So let's plug it in and switch it on. So how do I operate it? Okay. So I think that's for mode 1. And then that's mode 2. And then you can activate the cool mode by toggling this sort of, it's got a sort of snowflake. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out how this cool mode works. Okay, so this cool mode in both mode 1 and 2 works by just sort of slightly cooling the air that's shooting about, and it also actually increases the force at which it's actually pushing the air out. So that seems pretty cool. Let's do some tests and some other items as well. Right, so hey guys, so I have got this hairdryer, and I'm gonna just see how far I can really push my hair. So let's give it a try. It's mode 1, nothing too much. Cool mode activated. So that was mode 1, and then with the cool mode, or cool shot, according to packaging, mode. Let's try mode 2, and then once I put 2 on the fingers, I'll use the cool shot mode. Okay, so this is mode 2. So, some more, and then 2, mode 2. So it is quite loud, but maybe it sort of does a job. I mean, I was holding it about 15 centimeters or more like 30 centimeters from my hair. So maybe let's try actually doing it really close so you can actually see the tip. Mode 1. This will be like good for some basic stuff. And then we've got the cool shot. A bit stronger. We'll work it up. And now let's do mode 2 close up, and then do the cool shot. So, oh man, insane. Cool shot. So it does seem to be quite noisy. Not too sure what the power is like. But we do know that there's 2 modes, so 1200 watts and 1600 watts. Now, the other hair dryers I was looking at Kmart, there was one for, I think it was 2000 watts, and it was $20, so that seems a good deal. But the thing is, if you're traveling and you need something more smaller and compact, this one is like really good. It's like the size of a pistol or something like that. The only thing with the bigger ones is they're bulky, but they do have more power, so you do have sort of some options there. As for the noise, I think that's just really energy loss that's happening, so that's just something that will happen. I mean, you may happen to find as well at Kmart, they do have 2200 watts one, so they're a bit more powerful, quite a bit more powerful. So probably about 40%, 30% more powerful than this one at 1,600 watts over 2,200 watts because you got 600 more watts. The only thing is this is good for really $10, so I would rate it. And then you have this comb, so you can sort of style it. Maybe I'll try and actually do it right now. It's my first time, so I'm quite new. You can sort of work it around. Ideally, you'd like to wet your hair before you do this, otherwise your hair will get quite dry. So when I was at the barber, they actually wet the hair first and then they sort of like did this. But you can sort of work something quite good without using maybe like wax, which kind of gets stuck, kind of gets your hair stuck quite a lot. And this sort of like wears out sometimes as well, so that's the Rio 5 styling wax. And then this gel, yes, you can use that, but it takes time to set, so that can kind of suck. But in that case, you could also use extra hold spray as well, hairspray. There are hairsprays that do have, I guess once you put them on, they sort of repel the water. So if it's a rainy day like today, then you could use that too. Let's use mode 2 in cool shot mode, just for fun. So as you can see, you can have quite a bit of fun with it, but in serious terms, this product would be great to travel around, and it's got this really sleek finish, this jet black finish that I really like. It's really smooth, and it seems to me that it would be more like $20 or so. Yeah, but $10, it is a real bargain at Kmart, so definitely look at picking one up if you like. With this one, I'd recommend going to a dollar shop to buy one because it's usually $2.50 instead of $6. But all in all, that's the review for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please like and comment and subscribe. I will be putting out some content on another unboxing based upon, I've got another package. So I got some a cocktail shaker set, so I'll be unboxing that along with some ice cube trays and sort of setting it up with mixing drinks as well. So if you would like to see that, please subscribe and let me know down in the comments if you would like to see that. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week.